Hey guys, Barry here with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is my 5th video today, so I guess I'm probably starting to look a little haggard by now. But today we're demonstrating a perfectly charming little Pioneer unit. This customer has requested that this be converted for use with a reproduction radio or a converted radio. As you might know, a reproduction radio or a converted radio offers a huge increase in output power if you can rewire your speakers to where there's no common grounds. As can be expected, most of these aftermarket units used a common ground, so they can't work. They can no longer work with that type of system. So now what I do is I rip everything out. I go back in with my own preamp, and my preamp powers it drives basically the radio. So this unit no longer has speaker outputs. It has RCA outputs so it connects to the auxiliary input on your radio. And since that uses up your auxiliary input, I add an aux input on the 8-track so that you don't lose your aux input just because you want to use your 8-track. So you can plug your aux source into your 8-track, and anytime you're not playing the 8-track, you can play the aux source to the radio. So let's pop a tape in and make sure it works. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, now these controls no longer have any effect. The only thing that still works on the unit is the track change button, and of course the indicator. Now let's make sure we got both speakers. Okay, takes care of that.
It's a star-spangled world. Where the hunky-dunky monkeys shine.
Okay, we'll just wait for the next song to start on this track. There we go. Okay, and that's it. There's not much to test on this type of unit, just to see if it plays and comes out of both sides. That's pretty much it. So, I'm out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. We'll see you next time. You know what? I never mentioned who this unit is from. This unit came from Joe in Milton, Florida. Thank you, Joe.